for others. Yeah. Sana Ansari, please tell me when was IRDAI incorporated?
सर इन 1999 इरिडाई का एक्ट आता है और उसी के थ्रू इरिडा को इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है, लेकिन इन अप्रैल 2000 में उसे एक स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी का दर्जा दिया जाता है.
Good, excellent, very happy. Foreign companies are allowed how much investment in IRDAI, in insurance companies?
सर अगस्त 2021 में एफडीआई की लिमिट जो है प्राइवेट इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज के लिए 74% है और पब्लिक के लिए 20% है.
एग्जैक्टली ये चीज हम लोग करेक्ट करना है, बिकॉज ये वाला ऑलिव बोर्ड मटेरियल में पेज नंबर 4 में आता है, जहां आपको दिया है फॉरेन कंपनीज का दे आर अलाउड टू इन्वेस्ट 49 ओनली. इसको हम लोग बदलना है 74%.
यस सर, स्टार्टिंग 26% था, 2015 में 49 हुआ और फिर अगस्त 2021 में 74 हो गया.
Now it is 74%.
यस सर, फॉर प्राइवेट इंश्योरेंस कंपनी सर.
या प्राइवेट और पब्लिक है. अभी बाई चांस गवर्नमेंट वांट्स टू गिव टू अदर्स, दे कैन गिव, नथिंग रॉन्ग. लेकिन डेफिनेशन ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर तो चेंज हो जाएगा जहां हम डिसाइड करेगा मेरे पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग को प्राइवेट करना है, तब I can allow my local Indian citizens to apply. And once I decide I want to go fully privatized, जब I can make it 74 also, लेकिन वो करवाने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा. पार्लियामेंट में कुछ रेगुलेशन से रेजोल्यूशन ये सब पास करना पड़ेगा, वो तो देरी होगा. सो इसलिए प्राइवेट सेक्टर कंपनीज में 74% इन्वेस्टमेंट अलाउड. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Sana, you are right.
Yeah.
Are you able
So
to
that
see?
mean,
Are you able to see something on the screen?
yes sir, PDF दिख रही है सर.
अरे भाई तो बंद करना है.
सर मेरा एक डाउट है, मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा था कि पब्लिक सेक्टर में अप टू 20% एफडीआई अलाउ है.
अच्छा, हो पता नहीं वो किधर दिया है.
सर अभी तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, बट मैंने कहीं पे तो पढ़ा था ये.
1 minute. India
सर
FDI allowed in PSUs.
सेक्टर.
The Department of Promotion, Industry and Internal Trade on Thursday issued an executive order to allow 100% for direct investment under automatic route for oil and gas public sector undertakings. अरे भाई ये देखो, आपने जो बोला उससे भी अलग देता है. हम लोग बोलते थे 74 नहीं करेगा, लेकिन 74 इंश्योरेंस में नहीं होगा. लेकिन अभी देखिए यहाँ पर फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट अंडर ऑटोमेटिक रूट फॉर ऑयल एंड गैस पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स 100% अलाउड. समझ गया.
यस सर, कुछ कंपनीज के लिए जैसे सर री इंश्योरेंस के लिए भी है, और सर जो एआरसीज होती हैं एसेट रिकंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज, उनके लिए भी 100% है सर.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड. So it depends on the which sector FDI is allowed in India. Are you seeing on the screen now?
यस सर, इसकी एक लिस्ट भी है सर. आई थिंक बजट में भी ना बताया गया था कि किस फील्ड में कितना एफडीआई अलाउ किया गया है.
इधर देखिए, foreign investment in India is freely permitted in almost all sectors, and under remaining sectors is allowed on permission basis. FDI can be made under 2 routes: automatic route and government route. What percentage of FDI is allowed in India for private sector in petroleum and gas? अभी देखा है 100% automatic का. Then Does India allow 100% FDI? FDI up to 100% under automatic route is permitted for manufacturing of medical devices. And iska alawa, this oil and natural gas also allowed now. Because ये सब आंसर पहले बनाया होगा अभी changes हो गया होगा. In which sector FDI is not allowed? In India, rail transport, foreign direct investment is not allowed. अभी कुछ चेंज हो गया ना क्या वो भी बताना ही. In the railway sector, FDI is not permitted by Government of India. Railway sector is completely owned, managed and controlled by Indian government. आजकल रेलवे सेक्टर में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा प्राइवेटाइजेशन कर रहा है. आप जानते हैं उसका बारे में?
No, sir, no idea, sir.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu में there is a company which has been given authority to run rails. They are running rails in their own names. They run some pilgrimage
Sir,
like
SRM company, sir.
SRM transport.
SRM has started railway between Chennai and the Shiradi. That is called Bharat Gaurav train, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. भारत गौरव ट्रेन सर वो फैसिलिटी गवर्नमेंट ने इसीलिए लाई कि किसी भी पर्सन को अगर चाहिए, जैसे कि अगर किसी भी पर्सन को, जैसे कि अगर मुझे चाहिए कि मैं एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस तक है ना रेलवे के लेके जाऊं एज अ टूरिस्ट पर्पस के लिए, तो मैं लेके जा सकती हूँ सर.
Correct.
Sir, it mainly promotes the pilgrimage and northeast state or
Yeah.
tourism.
It is mainly for pilgrimage only. Which
First train between Coimbatore and Shiradi, they started in November 2021, sir.
Already started, na?
Yes, sir. November 2021. Sir.
21 or 22?
21.
Sure.
Between Coimbatore and Shiradi. Yeah, sure. I'm sure.
Okay. Which sector receives highest FDI in India? Sana, please read. Computer hardware.
Yes, sir. एक मिनट sir. Computer hardware and software sector in India received the highest share in FDIs, amounting to over 14 billion US dollars in fiscal year 2022. The services sector came second, amounting to over $7 billion.
What are services sector?
So services sector में सारे sectors आ जाएंगे ना, like banking is also a service sector.
Then?
Then insurance, hospitalization, hotels. Hotels.
Then?
And
याद नहीं आता है.
Sir, telecommunication services.
Google.co.in India services sector industries. For example, the service sector includes activities such as business services, communication services, construction services, education services, energy services, environmental services, financial services, tourism services, and transport services. Iska, of course, we may not know the names of the companies, but I think it is allowed in almost all areas.
Sir, is it Adani sister concern in all our service sectors, sir?
Adani?
Yes, sir. Because they have environmental sector like green energy, financial service, tie-up with Airtel.
Yeah. They would have classified them under services sector, possibly because there are some concessions in taxation and all that. And the latest news is 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees exchange. There again, government is doing a wrong thing. They are telling 2,000 rupees, you can get it exchanged maximum 20,000 per person. But पहले तो वो बोलते थे you have to fill up a challan, you have to fill up a form. Now today State Bank of India has come out with notification there is no need for filling up of the forms. मतलब क्या है? You are going to allow all black money into white money.
Sir,
how, sir?
What is legal tender, sir?
Legal tender means if it is presented, people, the bank has to give you value for that, services value for that. Legal tender means it will be accepted. It will be accepted for services. For example, you go to a hotel, you want to pay 2,000. You can pay that money and that will be a legal tender. Supposing you give now old 1,000 rupees note, that will not be accepted. That is no longer a legal tender. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. It is legal after September 30, sir.
Now this one is valid up to September 30, but people will not take it. People will not take it. For example, even in toddy shops or even in arak shops in Tamil Nadu, they have stopped taking it. But this route they have allowed, these banks you can exchange up to 10 notes. That means what is going to happen? All the poor people will be given 50 rupees, 100 rupees. They will be asked to stand in queues. They will be asked to exchange it and give it back to them. So again, it's a question of 500 rupees payment for all these poor people for standing in queue. That is what he will stand in queue in State Bank of India, Allahabad Bank. No Allahabad Bank now, Indian Bank.
Is it amalgamated with Indian Bank?
Then Bank of Baroda, like that everywhere. So I think government, why they are being given wrong instructions, wrong directions like this? No, of course, it is true. If forms are filled in, then that will result in lot of paperwork for the bank and the customers. In fact, in November 2016, I was in Indian Bank, Abhiramapuram, as a voluntary person. I served for nearly 1 month, helping people. I used to give them challans. I used to fill the challans, and that's what I was doing. And in fact, the bank gave me one, what is that, light also, that emergency light and all that. So that way, I could serve them then. But now this will involve more work. But now if we are going to allow it to be exchanged free, it is only a scope for all the rich men to arrange for people to stand in queues and take money, which again will result in more work for the bank. The fellow who has got black money, he is going to change it as 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And the process is, of course, difficult. But the only problem is more big queues in the bank. What is happening in the bank? Has the queues started today? Of course, today Sunday, we may not know. Tomorrow se pata ho jayega. So Sana Ansari, tomorrow, you please visit 2 or 3 bank branches after about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and tell me a report.
Okay, sir.
Where are you staying,
Sir,
Sana? Where are you staying?
Sir, Sangli, Maharashtra.
सांगली में तो ज्यादा काम नहीं होगा ना? होगा? सांगली is a big city.
नो सर, बिग सिटी तो नहीं कह सकते, बट या अर्बन सिटी तो है.
तब तो 12:30 में चला जाइए. घर का पास में जो है बैंक्स, उसको एक जगह वॉकिंग, go for one walking, go inside the bank, take one voucher, then come back out. That's all. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
You
सर,
please.
अगर इंटरव्यू में ना इसके ऊपर हमारा ओपिनियन पूछेंगे तो फिर कैसे हमें हैंडल करना होगा?
What is your opinion?
What's your opinion to ban to stop the circulation of the 2,000 rupees, and government do it in a right way or not, like this?
This is not the right way, in my view. This is not the right way. This is only allowing for, of course, see them now 2,000 rupees are notes are with only cinema people. real estate people, politicians, big businessmen like Ambani, Adani, Birla, name the people. उनका पास ही है. I don't have even 1-2,000 rupees notes with me. पता नहीं
Same.
पता नहीं हमको उसी रोज में भी आइडिया हो गया होगा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2021 जब हम इंडिया से बाहर आए थे, तब उसी समय पर भी हमने 2000 को रखा नहीं.
सर एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से कोई भी नहीं रख रहा सर. मतलब मेरे फैमिली में भी कोई नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा था,
No,
क्योंकि
no.
सर चेंज रहता था.
Yeah, उनका पास अभी nobody will have 2,000 rupees. Yeah, very good. Maybe Hariharan will be having it because he is in a bank, no? Hariharan has come today, no? He has
No.
not come. Who has come today? Bharadwaj. Oh, this agent's son. LIC
sir.
agents. उनका पास नहीं होगा. He will not be having. He is
Sir,
a...
we have not 2,000, but one policyholder came to house and give 2,000 for premium, sir.
today.
Yes, sir. Today
that
morning
that you can accept. That you can accept.
sir, we can accept and pay to the cash counter in LIC branch.
Yeah, that can be done. That can be done. Yeah, now somebody wanted to know what are the corrections to be made. Who asked that? I think Hariharan only asked, no, or Bharadwaj asked.
No, sir. Hariharan sir asked that.
Hariharan only asked.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is one important correction we have told, namely page number 4, FDI investment in insurance companies raised to 74% of the investment. Okay.
सर
Yeah, tell me.
अभी वो भरद्वाज सर ने जो कहा, वो क्या कहा LIC के बारे में?
LIC,
2000
what is he telling is LIC. Bharadwaj, can you talk in English to her? Come on.
Yes, sir.
You tell. Hello, it
So
will
what
be.
is she asking, sir?
Now she is asking, what did you tell me in Tamil about this 2,000 rupees being received and all that?
Sir, we can directly ask the government. It is wrong. It is right, sir.
No,
These
you are
are wrong
not.
visions.
No,
means,
you are
sir.
not able to tell. You should tell like this. Sana, I am son of an insurance agent. My father received today a payment from one of the policy holders, and he paid in 2,000 rupees denomination. Now it is allowed for us to take and deposit into the LIC cash counter tomorrow. This is what he said. You should
I
talk.
think she is
You
add-
should talk like that. What is your name? Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj. Now talk in English.
Okay, sir. Ms. Sana Ansari, my father today collected a premium from one of the policy holder of my father. He gave 2,000 rupees for the policy premium. It is legal for us to pay the 2,000 rupees in the cash counter of LIC.
Sana Ansari, what is the mistake he did in communication in English? Which sentence was wrong? Now, can you please repeat that sentence again, Mr. Bharadwaj?
Okay, sir. My father today morning got a 2,000 rupees from one of the policy holder of my father, and it is legal that 2,000 rupees to pay in the cash counter of LIC. Sir.
Now you have altered the sentence. Now this time you told correctly. Last time when you were telling you said, my father is insurance agent, a customer of his, he give rupees 2,000. You said he give. It should be he
sorry,
gave.
sir.
He gave.
I used present tense.
Wrong.
Okay,
कोई बात नहीं. Nothing wrong. Yeah.
Okay.
Bharadwaj, will you be interested in joining spoken English class?
Yes, sir.
Evening will you be free 5:30?
Yes, sir. I am free, sir.
Okay. Then I will put a notification for that. Then you can also join. Some more people are interested in that. So we can, in that also, we will read more or less like economy, more or less like general knowledge and all that, so that we learn how to develop our communication skill. Understand?
Okay.
Very good. Now,
Sir, am I to improve for interview? The
no,
spoken
you have to
English?
improve your English. You have to improve your English because you are not bad. You are far better than other people. In fact, you had the confidence to take one mock interview with me earlier itself, correct?
Yes, sir. I took.
So that is really good. But if you watch that video again, you will find there can be areas where you can talk in better English. Can you?
Okay, sir.
That is the reason. Let us see how you can improve on that. Yeah. Now, can you tell me some points about IRDAI? Both of you can tell me whatever you can tell about IRDAI, whatever comes to your mind.
Okay, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, Mr.
Bharatwaj.
Bharadwaj. Sana, please be watching him, and whenever he commits some mistakes, you correct me. You tell me.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now, Mr. Bharadwaj, start. Tell me
Okay.
what all you know about IRDAI.
Okay, sir. IRDA is the abbreviation of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. It is the national insurance regulatory body and the supervising body of the insurance sector. The main function of IRDA is to promote the to protect the policyholders, to protect the policyholder, and to promote the insurance sector. It has recommended by R.N. Malhotra, who is the former governor of Reserve Bank of India in 1999. The act was passed in the parliament in 1999 and it started its work in April 2000, sir. Its main headquarters in Hyderabad. There are totally 10 members in the IRDA. One chairman, 5 full-time directors and 4 part-time directors. Now there are only one chairman and 4 full-time directors and 2 part-time directors only are there present, sir. After that, its headquarters in Hyderabad, and there are regional offices in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, sir. It's mainly recently introduced digital platform called Bima Sugam to promote the insurance to the rural areas, sir.
What is that? I don't
Bima
know.
Sugam, it is a digital platform to promote the insurance to the rural areas.
It is there in LIC?
No, sir, it is a IRDA platform, sir.
Oh.
The policyholder can visit the platform and check the product details of all the company's policies and compare with others.
I have not heard about. I have not heard about this. Yeah. Sana, did you hear about this?
यस सर, आई हियर्ड अबाउट बीमा सुगम. बीमा सुगम ये पोर्टल पे ना सारे जितने भी कंपनीज हैं, चाहे वो प्राइवेट हो या पब्लिक हो, उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट और पॉलिसीज वहां पे ना दिखेंगे. इट्स लाइक सर इंटीग्रेटिंग, लाइक सर अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट पे ना जैसे ना बहुत सारे कंपनियों का प्रोडक्ट दिखाई देता है और कस्टमर को एक चॉइस मिलती है कंपेयर करने की और एक बेटर चूज करने की. तो उसी टाइप का सर ये पोर्टल वर्क करेगा.
अच्छा, बीमा, Mr.
SUGAM, sir.
Acha, what is your name?
Bharatwaj.
Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj, now please read this. I am not aware of this. First time you told this. Let us go through this. It will be good for others also. Please read this. What is
Bima Sugam and how will it be different from a policy bazaar? Hari Radhakrishnan explains.
1 minute. I will just give the link of this in our Telegram page. It's a good point you told. I am happy. Yeah. Please tell. Come on, continue synopsis.
Okay, sir. The Bima Sugam is a proposed one-stop shop for all insurance-related queries, including policy purchase, claim settlement, and insurance advice. It is envisioned as a trusted platform by the regulator IRDA, and a customer can trust the product as it is being promoted by the regulator. The platform will be more like an like an
Ah.
Amazon style platform where everybody can come together to transact. There will be buying and selling of products and after sale service in the form of policy issuance.
Come on, continue.
Yes, sir. This will be a much wider platform in which all the insurance company will be present and the customer can transact directly. It will be a trusted platform because it is being promoted by the regulator. And so the customer can trust the product, they will get the correct advice and they can buy the products that they require from the platform. This is what is envisioned as part of the Bima Sugam, says Hari Radhakrishnan, first policy insurance broker.
Achha, one thing, have you seen this, Mr. Bharadwaj?
Platform, sir.
This Bima Sugam app பாத்தீங்களா?
Illa sir, now visit panla sir.
Acha.
I recently came to know about this.
Yeah, now, okay, Sana Ansari, please read. We are going to talk about.
We are going to talk about Bima Sugam, which is still in a planning stage
Acha,
and will be implemented.
Planning stage means kab. Oh, in 23 also. So it has not come yet. Arey bhai, we are now in May. This is as on March 16. It has not seen the light of the day. Why are you talking about Bima Sugam now?
So
Because
इसकी news
IRDAI has said that deadlock like insurance for all by 2047. So they introduce various platforms like this to promote the insurance, sir.
No, but this has not come yet at all. It has not come. Nothing much
Sir,
is being. Tell me,
what-
Bisan, Sana.
यस सर सर ये पॉइंट बताना जरूरी है बिकॉज है ना
नहीं,
इंटरव्यू अगर हमें ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं कि इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर आगे ग्रो करने के लिए आप क्या मेजर्स लिए जा रहे हैं इरिडा के थ्रू, तो हम इससे बता सकते हैं कि ऑनलाइन का भी जिस तरीके से ऑनलाइन पे ना मूव हम कर रहे हैं, तो ये बीमा सुगम एक अच्छा स्टेप रहेगा इरिडा के द्वारा जो लिया गया है.
Bharadwaj, she is telling that we have to mention about this in the interview because the interviewer can ask us what steps are being taken to popularize insurance in our country. And at that time, we can say digitally or through internet, government is attempting to have this insurance spread to all parts of the country by having apps like Bima Sugam. That is what Sana is telling in Hindi.
So this is the same thing done by the LIC through the artificial intelligence chatbot LIC Mitra, sir.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
can check
LIC.
the LIC products and compare with other self and get the service and FUP first unpaid premium details we can get from the chatbot, sir.
Acha, very good. So if I have some LIC problems, I will talk to you.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Very good. Sana, continue.
Yes, sir. It is known to be one-stop solution for all your insurance-related queries, claim settlement, or even for buying the insurance you want, be it health or life. So, are we looking at a wholesome product or platform which solves all your needs related to insurance? Yes, that is the vision that has been set out by the regulator IRDA, which is
Where is it?
please scroll down it.
Where is it? Is it clear? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Read.
Which is drawing this initiative. This will be more like an Amazon kind of a platform where everybody can come together. That is the insurance companies, the brokers, or the customers. There can be buying and selling of products and after sales service in the form of policy insurance. There will be a facility for storage of policies, lodging claims, and dispute resolutions. This is going to be a one-stop solution for all the needs related to insurance. We are already looking at a lot of marketplace for buying insurance. How different will Bima Sugam be? Currently, what is available in the market is a disjoint setup. There is no joint setup by all the insurance companies. Each insurance company has its own distribution mechanism. They have their own website, their own channels of distribution. So there is no one place where all the insurance companies are available together and that transaction can be done. Of course, there are platforms like Policy Bazaar or web aggregators, but they are limited in terms of scope. This will be a much wider platform in which all the insurance companies
will be present.
Will be present and the customers can transact directly. It will be a trusted platform because it is being promoted by the regulator, and so the customers can trust the product. They will get the correct advice and they can buy the products that they require from the platform. This is what is envisioned as part of the Bima Sugam. This brings in two aspects. One is the simplicity of buying a product, and the next is the ease of buying a product. Both these issues are being resolved or proposed to be resolved through this math. This point is very valid. It will
Proposed to be solved through this matter. Through this, I think
American English or maths, sir.
No.
So they math now.
Oh, through this math means mathematics. Okay. This point is
very valid. It will be very easy and very simplified for the policy holders or people who are looking for the right kind of insurance to buy from this portal. Do you also see the complaints regarding mis-selling, which we are seeing, which are already on the rise, and every year, every quarter, they are reported, especially in insurance? Will there be
any control on that because of Bima Sugam? There can be a great level of control as mis-selling happens because there are some again, iska beach mein people will cheat others. That also is a possibility. So when you approach someone for buying an insurance, and whether you approach the insurance company directly or through an intermediary, there can be vested interest at play, whereby insurance company person who is trying to sell, the intermediary who is trying to sell, may not be giving you the right kind of product that you need. That's what I said. They might be pushing some products which will suit their commercial interest. See, people will sell the policy where they will get more commission. The customer need not be getting the right kind of product that they desire. But when you go to a platform like Bima Sugam, this kind of mis-selling can be controlled to a large extent because you are making the choice yourself. All the insurers are there, the products are there, the explanations of these products hopefully will be there, the assistance, the tools to assist customer in buying right kind of products hopefully should be there. So with all these facilities, the insurer or the customer would be in a better position to make informed choice for himself. This is the expectation behind Bima Sugam. Thank you, Bharadwaj, for telling about this question. It's a very, very useful information for me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. It's very good
But
information.
there is also another two platform introduced by IRDA is Bima Wapp, Bima Vistar, sir.
Oh, acha. What
Bima
is
Wapp
that?
is an initiative to promote the insurance in the Gram Panchayat through women-centric insurance, sir.
Very good. Now, what else
Like
you know? What else you know about IRDA?
Shall I continue, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. IRDA also introduced the Bima Wapp and Bima Vistar platform. It is a Bima Wapp is an initiative to promote the insurance in the Gram Panchayat, like Andyodaya, to reach the large person of the queue, sir. And Bima Vistar is a insurance platform that is contains all type of risk like fire and property like that, sir. And IRDA also allowed foreign direct investment to private insurance sectors up to 26% in 2000, and it has increased to 49% in 2015, and it also increased in the budget 2021 union budget up to 74%. The only company that has 74% FDI limit is Agas Federal Life Insurance Company, sir.
What is that company?
Agas Federal Life Insurance Company.
Acha, good. It's a federal bank's
Yes,
subsidiary.
It is a joint venture of Federal and Agas, sir.
Acha, Federal Bank. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. It's a news for me. Good. Very good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
You should tell like that. Very happy. Anything more you know?
So just thing I know.
Yeah. Now, Sana Ansari. Sana Ansari. I think her internet was got disconnected, na?
Sir.
Sana Ansari, your internet got disconnected. Sana
Her
Bharadwaj,
name is appeared 2 times, sir.
her name is appearing 2 times.
2 times.
Yeah. Sana Ansari, what happened? क्या हो गया?
सर मेरा इंटरनेट बहुत स्लो है, मैं बार बार है ना लीव कर जा रही हूँ। अभी ठीक है सर।
क्या कनेक्शन लिया आपने? किसका कनेक्शन लिया? जियो का, एयरटेल का?
यस
हाँ,
सर जी का।
जियो का?
यस सर।
तो महाराष्ट्र में तो जियो अच्छा होना चाहिए ना?
Sir, today
यस
Sunday
सर।
there is a heavy traffic in network, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir,
why don't you buy one Airtel also?
सर मेरा मोबाइल का जो इंटरनेट है वो एयरटेल का ही है, और जो वाईफाई है घर में वो जियो का है। तो अभी मैंने एयरटेल मोबाइल का चालू किया है सर डाटा, तो अभी चल रहा है सही से।
अच्छा अच्छा, घर में वाईफाई रखने से भी प्रॉब्लम होता है? अच्छा,
यस सर, जियो का था वो, उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो।
in spite of this you have problem. अच्छा, Sana, please read this.
सर कैन आई आस्क भरद्वाज सर, जो अभी बता रहे थे बीमा वाहक, बीमा विस्तार, इसके अलावा उन्होंने और कुछ बताया? मेरा इंटरनेट चला गया था।
अच्छा, why don't you talk about this in English to Sana? Bharadwaj.
सर
Yes, sir.
Bharadwaj, you are telling about 2 other extra apps introduced by Iridai. Na? Please tell about that.
Okay, sir. Bima Vahag is an initiative introduced by Iridai to promote the insurance in the Gram Panchayat. The insurance is promoted to women-centric agents like local
Based, women,
women
based,
help self-help groups, sir.
very
Like,
good. Okay.
yes, sir.
Then,
It is the same like Andhya to reach the insurance lost people in the queue, sir.
very good. Excellent. Anything else?
Yes, sir. Next, Bima Vistar.
Hmm.
Bima Vistar is the insurance plan that is introduced by Iridai to promote the insurance in same like a Gram Panchayat. It covers all the risk like a fire, property, life, like that, sir.
Good. Thank you. Now, Sana,
Thank-
please read what is shown on the screen. This is from IRDAI.
Mission statement of the authority to protect the interest of and secure fair treatment to policyholders, to bring about speedy and orderly growth of the insurance industry, including annuity and superannuation payments for the benefit of the common man, and to provide long-term funds for accelerating growth of the economy, to set, promote, monitor, and enforce high standards of integrity, financial soundness, fair dealing, and competence of those it regulates, to ensure speedy settlement of genuine claims, to prevent insurance frauds and other malpractices, and put in place effective grievance redressal machinery, to promote fairness, transparency, and orderly conduct in financial markets dealing with insurance, and build a reliable management information system to enforce high standards of financial soundness amongst market players, to take action where such standards are inadequate or ineffectively enforced, to bring about optimum amount of self-regulation in day-to-day working of the industry consistent with the requirements of a prudential regulation.
Very good. Correct. So, but I know remembering all that is really tough, and the same point is told again and again in different forms. So that is the problem of mission. Can't help it, and the organograms means the authorities. This is Mr. Debashish Panda. He is the chairperson. We have Thomas Devasiya, member non-life. BC Patnaik, member life. So you are appearing for LIC, you must know about this. BC Patnaik is a member for life. Aurora is actuary. Rajeshwari is member distribution. Then this person, Rakesh Joshi, member finance and investments. समझ गया? So we should know about BC Patnaik because he is connected with LIC. Thank you. Now, so where are we now? Yeah. Which one we were seeing? This is what we were reading. Yeah. Okay. Now, what is section 14 of IRDAI Act says? It describes duties and functions of IRDAI. That's what we were discussing now. Now, coming to life insurance sector, when was it established? What is the capital contribution of the government?
Sir, 5 crore.
It was established in 1st September 1956 and capital is 5 crore by the government, sir.
Excellent. What is the present capital of LIC? Present capital of LIC. LICindia.in ना?
44 lakh crore, sir.
अच्छा, समझ गए आपको? You know that? Good. From where did you see this?
Sir,
बोलो.
सर मैंने रीड किया था एसेट ऑफ LIC इज अराउंड 44 पॉइंट समथिंग लाख करोड़.
अच्छा, and one thing, I think about us में आएगा. I think anti-fraud policy, employee corner, citizen charter. About us किधर होता है इधर में?
सर स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही सर.
Oh, sorry. Now, are you seeing?
Not it, sir. Yes, sir.
About us इधर है. अच्छा. So tomorrow we will go through this thoroughly. About us में क्या क्या? Only both, some very less is there. अच्छा, very less नहीं है. Then here we have to go through history, objectives, mission, vision, who is who, operations, no life insurance, information technology, awards, archives. Tomorrow assignment is you are going through LIC website, about us, all the things. I will ask from any one of the things and ask you questions. I will ask, what are the LIC awards for the year 2021-22? You must be able to tell me what are those awards. इधर कुछ नहीं दिया है, nothing is there. So you will tell me nothing is there.
No, sir, so there is a file, sir. PDF है सर उसमें.
इधर में? अच्छा, उसको हम प्लीज सेंड इट टू मी ना, थोड़ा हमको भेज दो ना.
ठीक है सर. सर है ना इसमें ना PDF में ना बस 6 अवार्ड्स दिए थे, अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन क्लेम सेटलमेंट ये और फिर बेस्ट इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज के लिए LIC को अवार्ड्स मिले हैं.
Excellent, very good. So we will stop today with this because I have to go for next class, and what you will do is we have not been able to do anything concrete. In fact, we wanted to find out
where we can check capital, sir.
Capital must be here only. It must be in their about us, mission, vision, know your life, help us serve you better, awards achieved. I think it will be in the financials. Citizens, shorter, customer education, grievances, golden. Baba, boys, girls. This is also very, 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 very important thing. Glossary. Just by heart all these things, you can manage your interview very well. Sana?
Yes, sir.
ये पूरा पढ़ा लिया आपने? Maybe you would have read it already. पढ़ लिया?
सर इससे नहीं पढ़ा है, बुक से पढ़ा था सर, उसमें ये सारी चीजें थी. अभी और एक बार पढ़ूंगी सर.
Very good. So press release में होगा details of insurance and all that. 2523 launch of LIC group post retirement medical benefit declared financial results.
इसमें है सर.
It is quarterly 3, sir.
For the quarter
Quarter.
3 one. Quarter
Yes,
3
sir.
only has come. That only has come.
Okay. 4 has not released yet.
No, but this is what has been released. You see, that is sufficient.
Okay.
Now, this is what they have released. So here, this is what we can know. So whatever they are telling here, total new business kitna hai, VNB margin kitna hai, number of policies kitna hai, profit after tax kitna, capital.
सर ये जो नंबर्स हैं उनको नंबर्स में याद रखना है या परसेंटेज में?
No, depends. Lakhs में रखने से भी हो जाएगा और crores में रखने से भी हो जाएगा. You don't have to remember 3,42,244 crore. Simply remember 3,42,000 crore. समझ गया?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And इधर I know capital किधर होगा पता नहीं. We have to
सर ये
see.
फाइल इसमें कैप एसेट का एक वो है सर, उसमें दिया है.
Very
ये
good.
फाइल में.
So please see that. पढ़ लीजिए उसको. ठीक है?
Yes.
I am just storing it. Maybe later on we can see. LIC balance sheet. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow को मैं समय क्या करेगा बोलो? Tomorrow का समय 21:05. 21. Today is 21:05. Tomorrow is 22:05. 22:05. I have class at 5:30. Then 6:30 Federal Bank class. Then that boy is not coming. One who is asking for this class at 9:30. That fellow is not at all coming. He wanted to come, but he is not coming. We will take it as 7:15. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
7:15 LIC. Because the fellow, for him only I revised it to 9:30 and he is not attending. No problem. Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
But Sana and Bharadwaj, you are doing a good job. You are preparing very well. Please prepare like this. Seriously. Good.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
You are doing a good job.